2026 is the high heat year, and not everyone moves in the same heat in this fire. Dog values trust, responsible, and fairness. In the heated years, emotions run higher, and then conflicts surface faster. Dog people feels protective, dependable, and committed. But carrying everyone's burden creates quiet resentment. The risk for the dog in 2026 is over-responsibility, holding the things all together alone. Set fair boundaries and then share the load. Support doesn't mean self-sacrifice. Dog remains strong when loyalty includes self-respect.